love your Olaplex, but y'all going to find something else. Okay, it wasn't all that. Hey friends, so for today's video, I went shopping at one of my favorite beauty stores, Cosmo Prof. This video is not sponsored, but it was about time for me to re-up on my Olaplex goodies. Since this is the update, I am coming out of another protective style, some box braids, and it's time to treat this hair. So this is my hair after I take out the braids, and this is my hair after I detangle it. So jumping right into it, we are going to section our hair down the center, clip up one side, and dampen the first side. And the reason I'm dampening it is per the instructions of using number 3, which you see here. The instructions say to apply on damp towel dried hair. So we're going to go in, start applying that product to the ends, working our way up to the scalp. Now, I'm not going to use any detanglers, tools, combs, brushes, or things like that. I really try and keep my routine really low manipulation for the most part. And because I am going to go in with a detangling brush when we get to the conditioner step, I figured, you know, some fingers are sufficient. Let's just do what we got. So as you can see, just working it in from the ends all the way to the root. I have a healthy amount of shedding, but that's just because I came out of a box braid style. As we go on with the routine, you will see less and less hair shedding. We're going to put on a cap, leave that on for about 10-15 minutes and rinse it out. So now we are back. This is our hair just from using number 3. Popping, defined, and it is time to shampoo. So we're going to be going in with the Olaplex and number 4 Balm Maintenance Shampoo, and this is to help strengthen and repair. And what I like to do is start at the ends, getting the product on, and then work the scalp. We've had this conversation in the last video. I know a lot of the curly girls, they only like to shampoo their scalp and let it, you know, run down to the ends. Absolutely not in my house. If you're using creams, butters, oils, heavy products, you need to make sure you are cleaning all of your hair. You would not wash the top of your body and let the suds run down to your feet. So for me, I just like to make sure all of the product, all of the buildup is removed. And so I shampooed my hair twice, and now we're back, and this is what my hair is looking like. So we're going to go in to do the number 5 Balm Maintenance Conditioner. The first thing I'm going to do is section it in half the same way we did for number 3. I'm not going super in depth about the explanations of these products because I do have an original video, and this is just an update. So I encourage you to check that one out if you want to see me walk you through the website and all of the claims, and we debunk them and we also confirm them. But for this, we're just going to apply the product as you saw to the ends, working our way to the roots using our Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush. And then after we detangle it, working our ends to the roots, we are just going to twist our hair down. We're going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Look at them curls popping, they look good. And of course, I always got to make a mess. And then we're going to have a little mini dance break. And I left the conditioner on for about 10 minutes, and now we're going to get into our talk through portion of the video. Hey y'all, how you doing? How your mama, how your father, how your brother, how your sister, y'all, your cousin, your uncle, your bishop. Hopefully you and everyone in your life is doing well and staying safe at this time. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Of course, if you saw the title, it is our update from using Olaplex number 0. I sincerely apologize that it took so long for the video to come up, but you guys know I like to give you all facts, no fluff, and as a licensed professional, I really wanted to use this product for some time to see if it genuinely works. So my main questions for number 0 and the things that I was testing was, is it really necessary to intensify number 3? Is it really worth the money? In addition to number 3, I wanted to test it over a 6-month span because I wanted to see how it acts with my hair after I take out a protective style. As I'm trying to remove buildup from a twist out, co-wash, wash and go, I wanted to see, am I getting less shedding? Am I having more definition? Does my hair feel stronger? Is it worth the $28 price point? You know what I'm saying? Because have you guys ever used the product and it works in the beginning and then like after a few months it's kind of like meh, or you didn't like it at first and then it really grew on you? We are going to be discussing all of the above. So you just saw me do the full wash day routine. You saw me use number 3, number 4, and number 5. I am also about to try for the first time number 6. I got this cute little kit from Cosmo Prof. So the thing about Olaplex, you can buy Olaplex at Sephora and a few other retailers. You can buy it by Olaplex. The 2 products that are only for licensed professionals are the 1 and the 2. So they have 1, 2. 0 is supposed to intensify 3. 4 and 5 are the shampoo and conditioner, and so today we have number 6, which is the bond smoother, which is marketed as a leave-in. It also has another number 3 strengthener, and I got this together from Cosmo Prof. This was $22. It was a holiday gift set, so I figured it's always good to have extra, you know, number 3 on hand. I absolutely love number 3. So the thing is, this is 3.3 fluid ounces. Now hold up, this is 8.5 fluid ounces. So I just want to be transparent about that because I do love 3, 4, and 5. I decided to get larger sizes this time, and so I think with the kit of the two kit I just showed you with number 6 and number 3 in it, that was $22, and then I bought 3, 4, and 5. So I think total I spent like $70 something at Cosmo Prof. Just want to get that out of the way because y'all probably like, how you get that big old bottle? Okay, so don't be mad at me. I'm just going to have to get the discount though. I am. What we're going to do first and foremost, because we are going to talk about number 0, I do want to try this leave-in really quickly just to see how I'm feeling. I mean, a leave-in is a leave-in is a leave-in is a leave-in. However, as you guys know, Olaplex is a patented product, so it guarantees, this one is guaranteeing us to eliminate frizz, nourish, and protect. We're going to get a little bit of that up in our hands, rub it around, and we're just going to do a nice quick, I had to stop mid-sentence, girl. So it feels very similar to the washout conditioner, which is number 5. This might be a new situation for me. It feels soft, it smells good. What I love about Olaplex, if you are not someone that enjoys fragrance in your products, you may not like Olaplex, but if you do use the likes of, say, like an Afro treatment, it smells 100 times better than that. Alright, so now that we have the leave-in in, I really do like it. If the fragrance is not too harsh, I prefer fragrance products because I like my hair to smell good. Some people, if you're really sensitive to it, you may be partial to Olaplex. So I'm gonna test the leave-in. If y'all see it in a couple videos moving forward, then you know that I like it. I don't think I need to make an update of do I love the leave-in, but you know if you see it some more, because y'all know when I get a staple and a favorite, I keep it moving with it. Let's get into number 0 while you guys are here. So it's been 6 months. Y'all ain't see it today. You'll probably never see it again. Okay, so 2 things. To me, in my personal opinion, because I have access to number 1 and number 2, which are more intensified products that work on the hydrogen sulfide bonds, formulated and concentrated a little bit stronger, a little bit spoiled to using those. If you guys want me to, they do have take-home kits of that. I can purchase it and demo it on my channel. The reality of it is you guys wouldn't be able to purchase it, but you will be able to see the difference in the product. So if y'all into that, let me know. But I'm partial because I know what the real deal products on Olaplex are like. But on the flip, I love number 3. I felt my hair was defined. I noticed, even if you saw my wash day today, every time I finger detangle from going through it with originally with the number 3, then I went in with the shampoo, then I went in with the conditioner. Each time I had less shedding, so it definitely helps to keep my hair nice and strong. My curls are springy, especially just coming out of a protective box braid style. I really enjoy number 3. The issue that I have with number 0, like I said, is it necessary? So I spoke about it in the last video. Aside from me being a licensed cosmetologist, I'm also a beauty merchandising and marketing alumna. I went to FITM, the Fashion Institute of Design and Merchandising. Yes, the one Warren Conrad from Nails went to, right? Okay, so I know what these companies do. They'll create a product. Nothing was wrong with number 3. It worked. We liked it. We loved it. It was a cult classic staple. Now, here comes number 0 in the equation. It's like, we'll give you a boost for your number 3, but the reality of it is this: if they're not going to offer 1 and 2 to the general public, which I don't think that they should, don't be trying to give these people no fake boost. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, I guess it made the hair a little bit more hydrated, but to me, I just didn't see that much of a difference. And what that now means is now you have to buy number 3, that's $28. You have to buy number 0, that's $28. And now you're spending almost $30 per product plus tax and everything else. That's $60, and all you got is a treatment. If you spend about that price, most hairstylists do Olaplex treatments at their salon, so you're better off using that money instead of even doing it at home and doing all of that. And I know it's COVID, so bear with me. But if you are back in the salon and you feel comfortable, or you have a family member that does hair, or a traveling stylist, different things like that, you're really better off allowing them to use their 1 and 2 on you. Now that I say that, everybody's hair is going to react differently. I've watched reviews of it and girls loved it. Now, I don't know if it's sponsored, so they're trying to get on the brand's good side. I like Olaplex. You know, we correlate, you know, on social media. They be liking my posts and stuff. Because I'm not going to kiss tail on a video and say, oh, this wonderful product, when I have people that watch these videos whose dollar is very precious, especially in today's society. And the bottom line, companies only create things if there's a profit in there, and not that it doesn't serve a need or answer a question or find a solution. But to me, in my opinion, I just don't think it's necessary. When I first purchased it, I was able to get number 3 and number 0 in a kit together, and I spent $28. That must have been like a rollout because they were just launching it, and I purchased that kit together from Olaplex. Now they're charging separate prices. Them $5 Afro G treatments from down at the beauty supply store, they never did me wrong. I'm just saying. So if you want to try it, I definitely recommend trying it. I'm one of those people, like, you know, some people have to see it for themselves. I wouldn't discourage anybody from trying it. Speaking from the heart, because I really do care about you guys and your hair. So yeah, number 0 is gonna be a no for me. Sorry to this man. It could be walking down the street. I wouldn't know a thing. Okay, I love y'all Olaplex, but y'all gonna have to find something else. Okay, it wasn't all that. So the very last thing I do want to share with you guys before we close this video, this is just from my heart to yours. If you are curious about number 1 and 2, the other option, if you got a family member that's in the beauty industry, okay, I don't have to fill in the blank. Don't ask me, because I'm not going to get my license revoked, okay? But if your people into that, let your people be into that. Another thing I want to say, I be reading some of these beauty blogs and beauty forums, and I've been seeing people saying that they purchased number 1 and 2 black market. So from overstock, from eBay and things like that. Please don't do that, y'all. And the reason I'm going to say that is because you don't know what product you are receiving when you do that. First off, someone could be putting it on eBay because it's almost expired. Somebody could be putting it on eBay and it's a watered down version. Somebody could be putting it on overstock because many things. If you've done it and it works for you, you have to make that decision. I'm just telling you, from y'all don't want to be messing with that kind of stuff. Like, even when you purchase on Amazon, make sure you are purchasing from the company and not a third-party seller. Like, if you have tried it and you love it, please let me know down in the comment section below. I want to hear from somebody else. I would love to know what you're loving about the product, if you use number 0 or if you found something that's better than it. In my last video, we almost have a little community going of people sharing their stories and things of that nature. I hope this video was informative. I hope it wasn't too long. I just wanted to give you a quick update, show you my shampoo routine that I'm still doing with Olaplex. I do this about once a month, and I'm enjoying the products, and you know, we keep this a peaceful, loving space. So I don't want, you know, y'all, you know, coming over here. We ain't doing it. Okay, that's just my opinion. If you love it, you know where to meet me down in the comment section. I will be what in the back by the snacks, and you know what else. If you dig me, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button so that it gets my video up into the algorithm, so somebody else that may be interested in Olaplex can see this update as well. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned until the update came. Like I said, y'all was like, girl, where you at? And now it's March, and hey, I'm back. My bad. Stay tuned. We will be back next Wednesday. You know what time we upload? Every Wednesday at 11:30. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for your continued support. Oh, and before we go, I mean, it's drying up, but I'm not mad. It's nice and springy. My curls are defined. I'm not seeing any damage. The leave-in feels pretty good, but I need to see how my hair feels once it's dried down. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye. Peace.